Hi, I'm Mr.Kostenko and this is my trading academy. Today we will look at how to trade on the Binarium platform, which is one of the most popular binary options platforms. Binarium offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of trading tools, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced traders. I would like to remind you, friends, do not forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. I will leave the link to it in this video and also in the pinned comment. Through the Telegram channel, I share all the most important news and trading reports with the Trading Academy team. As well as we trade together 2 times a day at 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. Also, don't forget that there's a training account in Binarium. If you are a beginner and afraid to trade with real money, you can practice on the training account. I'll leave a link to Binarium Broker in the description and attached comment. Now, let's start the trading session. So, in order to set up a workspace, I suggest choosing the type of chart. These are Japanese candlesticks. Please note that this interesting pattern is made up of green and red candlesticks. Actually, a red candlestick indicates a decrease in price during a certain period, depending on the selected time frame, for example, 30 minutes here. The red color of the Japanese candlestick means what the price was increasing at that moment while it was being formed. Now let's choose some indicators. I suggest using a simple moving average. I used 2 simple moving averages. The first one has a period of 5. Let's call it red. And of course I select the red color and click Add. The second one has a longer period, 13. Again, click here to select the indicator and enter 13 in the box. We'll leave the color as blue. Yeah, it will blue. So, accept it. Also, note what we have candlesticks here. Now we have 2 charts and 2 moving averages. Let me remind you. If the short term, in my case, is a 5-day red moving average, crossing from top to bottom a simple longer term moving average with a 13-day period, this is a selling signal. Not that we just had a cross here. In theory, we should sell the euro-dollar pair, or rather sell a binary option on the euro-dollar underlying asset. But there is one more important thing. I've already mentioned it earlier, so I want to draw your attention to it again. It is necessary to set support and resistance level as well as specific lines, crossing which the price can accelerate its movement, both upwards and downwards. So, in our case, we see a small price suspension near the level of 1.064. Please note what I'm rounding the figure to 1.06, but based on the principle of the magic of round numbers, I determined this level as 1.04. The price stopped here and it has not been able to overcome this level yet, but it is still striving to continue growing. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that for a relatively long period of time, the price defended or moved within a narrow range around this level. And I'm talking about level of 1.0639. After breaking through this level, the price continued to rise, which is a common occurrence in the market. And you need to know, after breaking through a certain level of the market, prices may return to that level. If the price remains above this level, 1.05, it may push off from this level and continue to rise further. So, and this is exactly what is happening at the moment. The price has not fallen below 1.0640 and it is trying to grow. Let's proceed from the fact what it is quite likely what after today's local decline in the underlying asset, the euro-dollar pair is likely to continue to rise. And of course, in this situation, you should look for confirmation signals to buy binary options on the pair. I'm talking about the pair euro-dollar. So, let's say our price can overcome this local maximum. It is already doing so right now, so I'm buying it. And so I really clicked on the wrong way. Unfortunately, while I was translating the chart, it turned out well. I made a sale, but even through, you see, it is interesting. In this case, earning could probably be made. A plus could be achieved if the price falls below the level of 1.0640. Yes, after a pullback to the line what was overcome earlier, the price starts from there and already tends to grow further. Therefore, in this case, I believe it is necessary to buy. Now I'm making a purchase. Well, let's see. At this moment, I have two deals, one of which came out accidentally. By the way, I want to warn you about something to protect you from errors. Pay close attention to your mouse cursor when you're looking at something on the chart, as it may accidentally move to the area where the buy and sell buttons are located. And in this case, you can make a deal for yourself unexpectedly. It's good if it seems profitable, but obviously you can't do that as I just happened to do it by accident. So I made a purchasing deal, yes, and so far I have a negative result. The price is negative, more precisely a negative floating result. As long as the price stay above our support level of 1.0640, we can expect it to continue growing. Well, if all this thing happen, when we have a small profit, which is modest but good. So, what conclusion can we draw? Be sure to pay attention to your actions, of course, on the trading terminal binary broker's workspace. Make sure you keep an eye on where your cursor is, and if you suddenly want to click the left mouse button, please check where your cursor is to prevent what happened to me from happening to you. It is actually a mistake, a big mistake. We should avoid making these mistakes. And of course, summarizing such a small result, I want to say what we have looking at how buying actually takes place. It is very simple, I would even say it is very simple, but again, any of your transactions or actions must be accompanied by mandatory analysis. Please read many analytical articles and forecasts on the market situation in Telegram and Instagram, and analyze with me. It is very important to always manage risks without risking more than 5% of your trading capital per trade. Today, we learned how to start trading on Binarium and how to use basic technical analysis for making trading decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and join my VIP Traders chat on Telegram. Together, we analyze the markets and learn the secrets of successful trading. The link to my Telegram channel and Instagram are in the description below. I will help you and wish you success in trading.